Hello guys, this is Phetrich Gallery. Today you're going to learn how to do this amazing hollow head effect in Adobe Photoshop. But also, if you want to learn more tips and tricks in Photoshop, check my other video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Firstly, import or paste the broken part image. Remove the background. Duplicate the image layer, hide the bottom layer and remove the background of the copied layer. Scale the part image to fit the size of the head of the subject. You can reduce the fields in a way to have more control. Bring the fill back when you're done. Click on the layer marks, select the brush tool, make sure black is the foreground color. And paint over the black areas to get rid of all of it. Double click on the layer to open the blending option. Click on inner shadow. You can use my settings. Hit on OK when done. We're almost done, but the color of the part and the subject doesn't match. So what are we going to do? Hit on the adjustment button and click on hue or saturation. Hit this button for it to only affect the target layer. Adjust the saturation until the two images match. Now, select the marks of the subject, select brush tool again, black as the foreground and paint over the area you don't need anymore. Let's quickly add a background. Done. So that's how to create a hollow head effect in Photoshop. See you in the next video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials. Also check out other tutorials on my channel. Thank you for your support.